Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2018 Buick LaCrosse Premium, stock number Z9298XX. 17,000 miles on this LaCrosse, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Quicksilver Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side, allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, as well as massaging seats, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert and heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. That automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size car. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.